Okay guys, welcome to Training Paradise workout series episode 1, which is with the TRX. The aim of this series is to really give you some good educational advice, some tips, some hints, ways in which you can improve exercises, and we're going to use various locations like our secret beach, and it's only secret unless you come to train with us, and then we can let you know where it is. So yeah, the aim is to give you some good exercises. Today's TRX, going to hook it up, show you how to set it up, show you the exercises, and yeah, use it as a way in which to train at home, office, beach, park, gym. That's it. Straps are connected up. You want it to be like 6-7 foot. You want to be able to have an angle with the body. If the straps are too low, then you end up being lying on the floor. So you want to make sure that you've got a decent enough angle where you can just stand at a decent 45. We're going to do 10 exercises, sets, reps or time. We'll put some little captions into the video for what we feel is best. And yeah, some upper, lower, some ab work. The TRX is amazing because you do lots of pull work, and you can't do pull work with just body weight, and that's really the difference between TRX and body weight. This is superior for that reason. The aim of this workout is 30 minutes long. So beginner, 40 seconds on, 20 off. Intermediate, 45 seconds on, 15 off, and more of an advanced workout is 50 seconds on or 50 seconds work and 10 seconds rest, and you take about 2 minutes in between each 10-minute block. So it's a 30-minute workout and it's 10 exercises, so 1 round, 10 minutes. Back squats is exercise number 1. Nice and close with the straps. Imagine there's a wall behind you. You don't want to allow yourself to stretch and tip over. So you stay close, and as you come down into the squat, the arms just start to kick up. But you keep a really nice upright torso and the feet stay flat, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. 3 seconds down, 2 second hold, 1 second up. Exercise number 2, the pull movement, upper body pull, mid-row. Feet come forward, find that angle. Make sure the hips aren't dropped or pushed forward. Soft knees, elbows down, and just pull the hands into the chest. Make sure that you lead with the elbow. Keep the abs braced, guys. Nice deep breath in. Exhale coming up, inhale coming down. Don't allow yourself to cave in again. Always stay with an open chest. Stay tall, stay tall. Rear lunge, alternating. Same setup as the back squat. Hands are close into the chest. Find your balance, okay? Don't allow yourself to tip and cave in. You find the balance, you maintain good posture, you hit 90, and you drive that knee up. Control, control. Elbows are just soft. The hands are assisting, but I'm not pulling myself up. I just want to allow myself to be guided by the straps. Switch legs. High row. So we did mid row. Mid row being, it's going to work all the back, but mid row predominantly mid upper back. High row then is more for the mid traps and rear delts, upper back. Knuckles face the sky or the ceiling, and the thumbs can be off or on, and we just maintain good set posture. Elbows down, open the chest, abs braced, pull the elbows back. Same sort of tempo with the exertion. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So far, all of the exercises have been facing the anchor points, okay? Now we're going to face away from the anchor point. So we take the straps under the arm, tip forwards, onto the toes, elbows in, knuckles facing away, push. So this is a dip, dips, close press. If it's too difficult, just put a foot forwards and you can use a little bit of offset of the weight. Otherwise, on the toes, body is long, extend at the elbow, control down, stretch, stretch, stretch the chest, squeeze. Exercise number 6. Still facing away from the anchor points. Hands just below the line of the chest and straight. As we lunge forward, we want to open up through the chest. We made 90 degrees on the front leg and a little less on the back. Hands you can't see, chest is open. Pull yourself back in using a bit of a front arm lever on the straps. Alternating leg, down, Now we do chest press. The dips, if you remember, were inside of the arm. Chest press now comes to the outside. Same setup, just a wider angle at the hands, outside of shoulders, making sure that the straps don't scrape your arms as you come down. Contact just on the forearm and drive yourself back up. Always maintaining that 90-degree there or thereabouts at the elbow, and don't allow the hips to drop forwards. You stay strong throughout the midsection of the core. Breathing's important. Deep breath in, exhale. Chin is tucked in, body is long, and just make sure that your prime movers, chest, triceps and shoulders, don't allow yourself to try and snake around in the exercise. Okay, number 8. This one gets the heart rate up a little bit. You've got 2 options, guys. Squat hops, okay, so just little bounces off the floor. Of course, if there's any reason you can't do plyometric or anything jump based, you just do a second round of squats. Otherwise, you just land softly on the feet. Or if you really want to get some explosive movement, make sure you don't tip and lean away. That back always stays straight, like you're sliding down a wall. Exercise number 9. Hands at the chest, extend at the arms. This is one exercise where you do want to squat with a straight arm. Gives you the angle. So we drop down nice and low. Again, we're not caving in. We stay open in the chest, stay nice and tall. As you come back at that angle, you pull the knuckles away into that T position, squeezing the shoulder blades. Make sure that you don't lose tension on the cable. We don't want to do this, okay? Because if you lose tension on the cable, the muscle loses its tension. So make sure you pull the straps, maintain tight lockout. Number 10 is single arm row with rotation. You've got your 2 fabric triangles. One goes through, and then again feed it through, and then just pull it tight. So now one strap just stays safely out of the way. Starting with the left hand, find your kind of set position. Hand in the middle of the chest, arm is reaching, wide stance on the feet. Ease yourself back with the arm, drop down to the floor. As you come up, reach and pull. Okay, so that was 10 exercises in our first series. We're going to do an intermediate and advanced workout. Intermediate and advanced will have kind of more ab work, more core work, and slightly more technical exercises. But yeah, this is one of many to come. Anything you need to know about specifics, you let us know. Till next time.